But now with the influx of all this flood of data that's becoming available from all the intelligent relays that are being installed on the system, we needed a new way to visualize all this new data. We also needed to have a notification methodology so that we could be notified when something of a particular interest is occurring. So there's a lot of little things in here, and I'll try to touch on some, but probably won't get all of them. A little visual bar graph, the percentage loading breaker health status with this chart here, customer voltage, fan banks on the transformer, the running amps, the runtime hours, oil temperatures of the transformer. All of these have alarm set points associated with them. Top oil temperature versus ambient air temperature. All temperature alarms, oil alarms, gas alarms, cooling alarms, they're all logically grouped. And we have a similar dashboard for our circuit breakers. Here's another nice visual that represents our battery monitoring system. We're looking at the voltage of that cell, we're looking at the impedance of that cell, and we're also looking at the current. In the last couple of years, we've started experiencing a lot of failures of this bushing pot device. I started reviewing the failures and I started noticing the type of signature. Within 2 weeks, we took data that we'd already been collecting for other purposes. We found a new way to use that data, and we deployed across 255 transformers in our system a monitoring process. There's no way that you could ever accomplish that in the physical world. By the time you get done with all the committees and the budgets and the resource allocations and the time frame, there's no way you could get it done in 2 weeks. But here, via software, we could do it. So then we said, all right, cool tool. What else are we going to do with this? Transformers with load tap changers on our system are frequently paralleled. If you take the difference of the megavars, it acts as an indicator of how well you're paralleling. We look at it's actually the absolute value of the sum difference, and if it exceeds the threshold amount, we set a notification. This has actually worked out much better than I ever expected. It was just kind of a simple idea, but again, in no time at all, you can put this together and put it into a production environment. The bottom line is we're in a world of big data. It's coming at us from all directions. It's very easy to justify the value of Pi by some of the business case solutions that we've just dreamt up and deployed in a matter of no time.